Now, I'm kind of filming this because, you know, I'm how I go around and I'm filming everybody else. There's nobody filming me, so I got to kind of film this too. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of this. Hi. Hey, how you doing? I'm filming you too. Okay, that's cool. All right. All right, so we'll do that. All right, and now I'm going to go ahead and go to it like you are. I'm going to go ahead and not have all this stuff looking at me. If you see this red box like this that says that, raise your hand. I see 3 hands not up. You don't see the red box? You don't see this right here? Oh, you got to type where it's blinking. You have to type this in. You need to type that in. And then press enter. Huh?
Like the number of views is different on each computer.
Because as each of you go there, the number's changing. It's tracking it. It's tracking everything. You have it now? Oh, okay. All right. Now, what I want you to do, if you just go down the screen a little bit, there's a link right there that says the Common Core MSP link page. Does everybody see that? Click on that. And then, oh, you saw yourself. Go down some. You'll see that, oh, there's a rattlesnake. How many of you remember that rattlesnake? Yeah. Right? So you see how the things that have been going on are being uploaded daily on here for these last 2 weeks. There's a video, one of you, that's the turkey call group right there. That's you guys, I think. All right? And then down below that, you're going to see week 1 link and week 2 link. Does everybody see that? Okay. What that is a copy of the schedule they gave you in your books of week 1 and week 2. Now, go to week 2 and click on it. As you see right now, we only have one instructor, that's because I made it, with a link in it. But every one of these is going to become a link from all the instructors you've been to. So you're going to click on it. It's going to bring you to their page with all their modules and all their handouts. Are you guys getting what I'm saying now? All right, is this cool? So my handout is the handout, right?
But we have to do this through Chrome. We can't do this.
No, you can do it through any browser you want. But the school has an old, outdated version of Internet Explorer that crashes. The version 7 has been old for like 3 years old. And they have not updated it. So rather than have you here frustrated for an hour, now, the other reason is Chrome should be your preferred browser. Let me tell you why. Number 1 company right now with an internet presence, with free stuff for educators is Google. Our whole school next year is going Google. Now, the way that works is, you know, like I noticed some of your emails said, I always say that name wrong. I want to say loudest. But Louds. Okay. All right. Because it looked like it's supposed to say loudest. You know, they spelled that way. Say it that way. But anyway, I'm not going to change how to. Like when I first came down here, I said, Valdosta. And they said, no, it's Valdosta. So now I've learned to say Valdosta. All right. But I know, you know how you have your email at that.edu and all that, right? Well, that doesn't change for you with Google. Your IT person gives them all of the people in your district or school. They load it up for you on their end. And they make you still have that. That's what's called a domain name. Say domain name. Domain name. Your domain name stays the same. So your email, your business cards don't change. But on the back end, it's being managed by Google. What's neat about that is, because where I'm at school next year, I'm assisting with IT. And so I get a chance to get the administrative side of it. And what you can do is you can create accounts for your students. And those students can email everybody they want in the district. But they can't email anybody on the outside of the world. So you protect them from the pedophiles and all that other stuff. But they get that email experience at the youngest grades. We're going to start from 2nd grade on up when you're expected to read. Because on the testing, they do audio on kindergarten, they do audio on 1st grade, and then by 2nd grade, you're supposed to know how to read. And so that's the grade we're starting with email accounts, where they'll be able to email and learn this process. That's part of the reading literacy Common Core now, right? All that's getting integrated. All right, now, click on the link of me, And you will then have in front of you the PowerPoint I'm going to show you. So go ahead and press save. And then what happens with Chrome, which is really neat, you know how when you save with Internet Explorer, it always saves it, and then when you go back and try and find it again, you can't find where it saved it? So what do? Download it again, right? With Chrome, it always puts it down in the bottom left corner. And it puts it in a folder inside of your My Documents called Downloads. So you can always go back and find your stuff when you're looking for it. It's very convenient. When it gets done, it kind of glows a little bit, and you can click on it. So if yours is already finished downloading, go ahead and click on that. And we're going to be in this PowerPoint together.
You know, if you're using Windows as your operating system, the only thing I use Windows Internet Explorer for is to run Windows Update. It's the only thing.
Or those sites that you fill out a form that says you're required to use Internet Explorer. Other than that, I just use Chrome for everything. It's huh?
I got some kind of stuff.
You don't see this?
Yeah, I saw that, but Microsoft box popped up.
Oh, just close it.
Well, it's not giving me the option.
Any of you use Mozilla?
How about this one right here? Is this one working?
Foxfire?
Yeah, and it's got Chrome on it. Go ahead and open that one right there.
Foxfire up until this past year, and then I started using Chrome.
Are you saying that Foxfire or some of the other ones wouldn't